Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling something super relevant in 2025. How to download your Tinder data. Whether you're curious about your profile history, matches, or just want to take control of your personal information for privacy reasons, this guide is straightforward and quick. Let's dive right in. First off, why bother downloading your Tinder data? In an era of increasing data privacy concerns, it's a smart move. You might need it to review your activity, export it for another app, or even prepare for deleting your account. Plus, with new regulations in 2025, apps like Tinder make this easier than ever. To get started, make sure you have the latest version of the Tinder app installed on your phone or tablet. Open the app and log in with your account credentials. Once you're in, tap on your profile icon, usually located in the top corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile settings. Next, scroll down through your profile options until you find the Settings or Account section. Look for a submenu labeled Privacy or Data and Privacy. In 2025, Tinder has streamlined this, so it should be easy to spot. Tap on that, and you'll see an option like Download My Data or Request Data Export. When you select this, Tinder might ask you to confirm your identity, perhaps by verifying your email or phone number. Go ahead and do that. It's for your security. Once confirmed, the app will start preparing your data package, which could take anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of days, depending on the amount of data. Finally, once it's ready, Tinder will send you an email with a secure link to download your data. It might come as a zip file containing JSON or CSV formats with details like your messages, likes, and profile info. Remember to handle this data carefully and delete it when you're done if you don't need it anymore. And there you have it. That's how you download your Tinder data in 2025. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Stay safe online, and I'll see you in the next video.